My name is Alfred, which is a bit easier than Friðþjófur, and I'm set and lighting designer and sales manager at Luxor, which is a department within Iceland's largest production company, Sagafilm. There it is. I design most of the company's TV entertainment sets and lighting, usually with an in-house assistant lighting designer and project manager who also handles the programming. Iceland is, as you may know, an island in the middle of the North Atlantic, about a third bigger than the Czech Republic, but whereas there are over 10 million Czechs, we are only 320,000, with about 70% of the country a deserted highland of glaciers, black sand deserts, geothermal wastelands, and our famous disruptive volcanoes. I'd like in my presentation to show you some of my TV set and lighting design for TV station Channel 2 and Sagafilm, and pointing out how we reuse set elements and the same equipment again and again, as we don't have the budget to buy the latest technology or even hire it in from other rental companies in Iceland. We have to stay. But Sagafilm produced the 4th Idol series for Channel 2 in 2009. And by that time, we had bought some 36 square meters of 37.5mm pitch LED walls units directly from the People's Republic of China. The National Football Association of Iceland had also acquired quite a few perimeter LED screens to be used in televised international games. So for this season, we hired some 30 football panels for my set, as well as using all of our Chinese panels. We didn't have a proper media server hardware, so we used Archaeus software for the screens. We also couldn't afford rolls of high-gloss flooring, so we painted the stage platforms with high-gloss paint a few times. We still had the same inventory of Robe moving heads, some 12 575 XT washes, 20 color spots, and a few 250 ms zooms. Although I couldn't use all of them because we needed a lot of them also for smaller projects. But the LED screen element was new for an Icelandic show, and it made the Idol 4 series look a bit like the foreign shows the Icelandic TV audience was used to by then. Again, I used the pulsar LED strips in the background and also as floor strips in between the platforms in the stage. Again, the show benefited from the added height of having the set at the higher end of the area, and in general the show looked quite tall and different from previous ones in the